Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person. So hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have some exclusive outstanding soft silk sarees collections only for you. So let me display. For more collections, please visit our showroom at Kolkata. And this one very beautiful color combination, soft silk material, premium quality, pure handloom soft silk, body fitted all over, fine zari weaving stripes design. This one is full base part all over fine thread and zari contrast weaving stripes pattern design, and very soft material, lightweight trendy looks all over same stripes, running blouse piece and pallu portions fully highlighted stripes sequin weaving stripes design work pallu. This one is pallu portions all over highlighted weaving work, and this contrast blouse piece, pure cotton fabric with nice printed contrast blouse piece with this for your smart trendy looks. And next one also nice color combinations, very soft material, dupian tissue material, soft silk dupian tissue, highlighted golden zari wide border, this all over base beautiful structure pattern design, and border portions golden zari border, dupian tissue material but soft one, summer wear. This one is border portions fully wide golden zari border all over structure design, very nice trendy looks. And this one running blouse piece and pallu portions highlighted stripes pattern design, pallu very soft one, lightweight elegant looks. This one is pallu portions, and this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your smart elegant looks. And next one also nice color combinations, pure handloom soft silk material, highlighted traditional weaving border design and all over embroidery buta, very nice looks, smart looks. This one is full base part all over fine embroidery design worked buta, and border portions fully zari weaving design worked border all over colorful threaded embroidery buta design, and pallu end highlighted silver zari stripes pattern, pallu end very fresh elegant looks, premium quality pure handloom soft silk soft semi cotton silk, and border portions fully zari weaving work all over embroidery buta, running blouse piece and this silk material brocade work brocade buta work contrast blouse piece with this for your elegant looks. And next one also nice color combinations, very beautiful one, tangail weaving design work, bright royal blue shade, golden zari border and all over border portions fully hand weaving tangail weaving design worked border all over buta work. This one is upper border golden zari border, premium quality pure handloom soft muslin silk cotton material, and pallu portions beautiful brocade zari weaving worked pallu, and this and border portions fully traditional looks, tangail weaving border design, peacock motif. This one border portions very bright beautiful look, soft material, running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece and this cotton fabric hakoba contrast blouse piece. This is for your bright and traditional looks. Nice color combinations, very beautiful one, fancy silk cotton material, soft one, based for your daily wear office wear, very smart looks, all over printed one, soft material, lightweight, and this one is border portions beautiful contrast color, half inch zari border, contrast color printed border all over nice printed one, very fresh smart looks all over printed, and pallu portions beautiful contrast color with highlighted printed pallu, soft material, lightweight, running blouse piece fully defined pattern printed, and this cotton silk material heavy mirror embroidery design work contrast blouse piece with this for your bright looks. And next one also nice color combinations, pure handloom soft silk material and rani pink shade zari border all over weaving buta design this one is full base part, all over fine weaving buta design base, border portions fully zari border with threaded weaving design, and pallu end highlighted sequin stripes design, pallu end very soft material, lightweight rani pink shade, and all over buta also. This one is border portions fully threaded weaving leheria design worked border, all over buta work, very fresh elegant looks, running blouse piece, and this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your exclusive looks. And next one also, nice color combinations, very soft one, lightweight pure handloom soft silk based for your daily wear, all over highlighted contrast stripes design. This one is full base part, all over stripes design, soft one, premium quality pure handloom soft silk with contrast color highlighted stripes, very smart trendy looks, and pallu portions beautiful stripes design pallu, pure handloom soft silk, and this cotton fabric, nice printed contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy looks. And next one also, nice color combination, soft semi cotton silk and beautiful highlighted half-inch golden zari border, and all over badhni printed one. This one is badhni printed, badhni sivori highlighted half-inch golden zari border, pure handloom soft silk material, very soft one, lightweight obviously, and beautiful sivori badhni design work, running blouse piece, and pallu portions beautiful highlighted sivori badhni printed pallu, very elegant fresh looks, highlighted golden zari stripes pallu end, and this cotton fabric nice printed contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy and smart looks. Nice color combinations, very beautiful one, soft material, premium quality, pure handloom tissue silk lion base, all over fine weaving buta design, contrast color, threaded weaving highlighted border. This one full base part, premium quality, pure handloom tissue silk lion, and this one is border portions fully fine contrast color, threaded weaving highlighted border. This one is border portions all over buta work, fully threaded weaving hand weaving buta design, shiny material, silver sign, and pallu portions highlighted contrast color stripes pattern pallu, very elegant bright looks based for your party wear, also tissue lion shiny looks, all over weaving buta design, very bright looks, contrast blue piping and running blouse piece, and this is silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks. And next one, nice color combinations, khadi cotton material, khadi cotton silk, and highlighted border portions highlighted golden zari with contrast color border, all over weaving buta design, fully hand weaving buta all over base, pallu portions fully contrast color with heavy threaded weaving highlighted pallu, and very soft material, lightweight pure handloom khadi cotton silk material, all over jamdani buta design, border portions golden with contrast color stripes border. This one is running blouse piece, and this is cotton fabric weaving stripes work contrast blouse piece with this for your smart elegant looks. And next one, nice color combination, very beautiful one, off white and red contrast look, traditional looks, pure handloom silk cotton material, very soft lightweight. This one is upper portion, chest portions to pallu end, ikat middle portions, and jamdani design work highlighted border. This one is border portions fully zari weaving design, and this portion in Dhakai jamdani buta design and split section. This one is split sections all over Dhakai buta design, very smart and elegant looks, premium quality, pure handloom silk cotton material, running blouse piece, and pallu portions half portions, pallu portions, middle portions ikat, and pallu end highlighted golden zari weaving design work, fully hand weaving worked pallu, very elegant bright looks. This one is border portion, and this is silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks. nice color combinations, pure handloom soft silk material, bright blue shade all over, golden and silver zari weaving buta design, very smart looks, based for your daily wear, office wear. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted golden zari stripes with highlighted stripes pattern design worked pallu, and very soft material, lightweight all over buta work, golden and silver zari weaving buta, pure handloom soft silk material, running blouse piece. And so this is silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your bright beautiful looks. And next one also nice color combinations, pure handloom material, pure handloom soft silk, based for your daily wear, office wear, all over, golden and silver zari weaving buta work, and border portions fully silver zari contrast color dye with silver zari checks pattern design border, all over golden and silver zari weaving buta design. This one all over base golden silver zari weaving buta, pallu portions highlighted contrast color dye with stripes pattern design pallu, and very soft material, lightweight all over, beautiful buta design, and border portions fully silver zari with checks design weaving worked border, running blouse piece. And this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your smart elegant looks. And next one, pure material, pure organza with all over heavy work, all over heavy design work, beautiful weaving work, and pure material, pure organza with beautiful highlighted fine weaving design all over sari, very bright gorgeous looks, based for your party wear, pure organza material, pure organza with all over heavy zari weaving work, soft zari weaving work. And this one pallu portions, beautiful heavy fine weaving design worked pallu, bright looks with nice pom-pom design all over heavy work. And this one border portions, very nice trendy looks, based for your party wear. And this is silk material, heavy embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this for your exclusive looks. Nice color combinations, very beautiful bright one, soft material, premium quality, pure handloom muslin silk cotton material, golden zari border, all over zari weaving buta design, very bright looks, this one is border portions, golden zari border, all over weaving buta design all over zari, very nice bright looks, and very soft material, summer wear. This one is running blouse piece. Nice color combinations all over, golden buta, and pallu portions, muslin pallu with beautiful zari weaving design, heavy worked weaving worked pallu all over buta work, golden zari border, soft one, lightweight muslin silk cotton material. And this silk material, weaving Banarasi buta work, contrast blouse piece. This is for your bright looks. And next one also nice color combinations, tissue cotton material, all over jamdani buta, very soft material, lightweight, and all over fine hand weaving jamdani buta design, and border portions fully beautiful jamdani design worked border, pallu portions highlighted contrast color with fine hand weaving jamdani buta design pallu, very soft material, lightweight, premium quality, pure handloom tissue cotton all over buta design. And this one is border portions, fully weaving design worked border, running blouse piece. And this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy smart looks. And today I have dipped a very beautiful saree, nice color combinations. Main base is black base, silk cotton material, mixed material, silk cotton, highlighted silver zari with contrast printed border, and all over nice printed one. And this one pallu portions, beautiful orange shade with highlighted printed pallu, very soft material, lightweight, based for your daily wear. Beautiful saree and designer blouse. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.